Now come closer, fit together, fit together, fit together. Look at my hand. Take a deep breath. And as you exhale, close your eyes down. That's right, you are doing a wonderful job. Put your awareness on both of your eyelids and pretend they are so heavy, so relaxed to the point that the muscles won't work at all and your eyelids are stuck in a downward position. Want it happen, make it happen, let it happen. Know in your heart. And when you really know that you're doing well, try to open your eyes, but make sure it won't work at all. Try to open your eyes, but make sure it won't. Stop trying, keep your eyes closed, keep your eyes closed. Yes, keep your eyes closed. Send the same quality of relaxation from your eyelids to the top of your head, then down to the tips of your toes. Feel a wonderful wave of relaxation going down to the point. All the muscles and nerves in your whole body completely loose, limp and relaxed. That's right. You're doing a wonderful job, Kalyan. Now, keep focusing on your eyelids, keep on pretending. All the discomfort is gone from your right hand. Whatever I do over here, you feel not discomfort at all. In fact, what I do over here will take you deeper into relaxation. Just relax your hand and enjoy. That's right. Very, very deeply. What I do over here will take you deeper into relaxation. Keep all the discomfort is gone from your right hand. What I do over here, feel not discomfort. What I do over here will take you deeper into relaxation. That's right. You're doing a wonderful job. With each and every breath you exhale, allow yourself to go deeper and deeper and deeper. Relax. That's right. And now in a moment, I'll count from 1 to 3. At the count of 3, you'll open your eyes, feeling fantastic, feeling wonderful, feeling better than before. 1. Feel the energy coming back into your body from all directions. 2. Become aware of your surroundings. And 3. Open your eyes and notice how good you feel. Standing, sleeping. You came all night walking or what?
No.
Good idea. Enjoy relaxation?
Yes.
Wait. Not yet over. No clapping yet. I was working on my right hand. Did you feel any discomfort?
No.
Look at your hand. Wonderful nail marks by Pradeep Aggarwal.
Right.